We are now in aspect 8 of lecture 1 on general and professional ethics, Tavani's chapter 6, and we're going further into how professional ethics work. Here we will discuss the relevant moments in the workings of professional ethics are 1, expertise of professionals, 2, vulnerability of the public, and 3, professional associations. Professionals have special knowledge or expertise with regard to the activities that greatly impact large numbers of people. Professional work with a great deal of independence, since knowledge that non-professionals do not have is required to check their work. As a result of these conditions, many people are vulnerable with regard to the professionals. Professionals can cause great harm or benefits to others who depend on and do not understand the work of professionals. Thus, from a utilitarian standpoint, every decision of a professional is of great moral significance, since it is very consequential for happiness and suffering of so many people or even everyone. And from a Kantian standpoint, person's autonomy, or choosing how one lives, is dependent upon professionals. A, informing persons about the developments in the professions, and B, not developing the professions and their products in a way that makes people less autonomous. The clearest example here are the medical professionals. The public may be uninformed by the medical professionals and in no position to make an informed and autonomous decision about the medical procedures offered and prescribed to the public by the medical professionals. It is a professional duty of the medical professionals to inform the public about the medical procedures offered to it and to not develop the medical field in ways that an informed public would not approve of. Due to the special expertise of the professional and the vulnerability of the public, the liability for when things go awry is often placed on the professionals rather than the members of the public. There are professional associations formed by the professionals in many fields to articulate and enforce the standards across the profession, as a result of which professional pride and the trust of the public are made more legitimate. For example, Computer Professionals Association have a clear stance on the topic we will discuss next. The privacy of persons must be respected. Being a member of such an association sends a clear message to oneself and others about the standards that a computer professional holds themselves up to. In the case of a violation of such a standard, it is made clear to the employee, employers, clients, and the public that the professional has not lived up to the standard. By that person's being stripped of membership and even being blacklisted with the association and its members. The way in which the unique professional responsibility of computer professionals plays out will be seen by us as we tackle the specific issues pertaining to computing and the public. A preliminary suggestion is made in our text by Tavani, bringing up the issue of computers in automatic cannons and radiation therapy machines that endangered human lives due to software errors. Taking professional responsibility here requires much greater diligence by software engineers in the future.